What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we are checking out the Realme P4 Lite, a budget smartphone that's surprisingly packed with loads of features, especially if you care about the battery life and durability. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect and all sorts. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification to upload any video, you'll actually be notified. So if you're thinking of buying this phone, here are the top 10 features you need to know about this Realme P4 Lite. So let's get into it. Starting off, the Realme P4 Lite comes with a 6.74-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling, better gaming, and an overall more fluid experience compared to the standard 60Hz smartphones. It also includes DC dimming for eye comfort, which helps reduce strain during long usage. Perfect if you're binge watching or gaming late at night. You can actually have it in the shortcuts. If you go to the top, you can actually edit it on. You can either choose extra dim or you can choose night light. And if you want to schedule it, you go into settings, display and brightness, eye comfort, switch it on, and you can actually schedule what time you actually want the eye comfort to come on, and you can actually just have it on all the time. It's up to you. But yeah, it's a good feature to have that, just to look after your eyes. Coming in at number 8, now this is one of the biggest highlights of this smartphone, a 6300 mAh battery. This thing can easily last 1-2 days on a normal usage. If battery life is your priority, this phone delivers big time. Not only that, you also get reverse wired charging as well, meaning you can use this phone as a power bank for other devices. Really cool feature. Now you may think this is a quite of a thick smartphone, but Realme focus heavily on durability here. You get the MIL STD 810H military grade protection, plus it can survive drops and pressure tests as well. So yeah, this phone is built like a tank for its price. Now, with all the build quality, the battery and the features, you also get a IP54 rating, so it's protected from dust and light splashes as well. Not waterproof, but definitely useful for everyday situations. Now, this is actually a cool one, the Pulse Light ring on the back of the phone. It lights up for notifications, calls, charging with multiple colors and modes. So it gives the phone a unique vibe. All you got to do is go into settings, go into wallpaper and style, click Pulse Light. You can have it on or off, or you can have it active period all day. You can always have it on as well. Choose the color that you like. We'll choose red, and there you go. It actually pulsates as well, if that's what you call it. You can always have it on. So yeah, you can change the charging from the battery, low battery, camera, alarm notifications, incoming calls, active period, or you can just have it off if you don't want to kill your battery, even though it's got a large 3000 mAh battery. Under the hood of this phone, you get a Unisoc T7250 processor, which is decent for daily tasks like social media, streaming and light gaming. Plus you can run multiple apps smoothly thanks to the RAM expansion as well of another 4 gig. Staying with the RAM, you get dynamic RAM and expandable storage. So you get 4 gigs of RAM already on the phone, but it can be expanded up to virtually up to 12 gigs, depending on which model you've got. This is a 64 gig model, so it only goes up to 8 gig as well. And storage goes up to 128 gigs, so that's where you will get the 12 gig of RAM expansion. So storage won't be a problem at all. The number 1 feature I'm going to give on this phone, it runs Android 15 with Realme UI. So it's packed with all the AI features like AI Eraser, AI Clear Face, Circle to Search. So these kind of features is what you need when it comes to a smartphone. Now this phone actually costs £99 at the time of this recording. There's loads more other features you actually get with it. I'll be here all day if I was to come up with it. You also get a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera as well. Going into settings, it has some special features. So here we have the mini capsule, riding mode, speaker cleaner, air gestures as well. So you can have air gestures to pick up phone calls, dynamic button. So you can have dynamic button on where you double click it and you can actually choose the sound vibrate apps for open camera, AI noise reduction, app lock, hide apps, kids mode, and privacy. So there's loads more other features with this smartphone. If you want to check the unboxing and review, I will leave the link in the description box below. But overall, that is the top 10 features of this Realme P4 Lite. This is the 4G version. There is also a 5G version that's come out with similar or even maybe a little more better features. So if you want me to get that smartphone and give you a comparison and also a review of that, let me know in the comment section below. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the top 10 features of the Realme P4 Lite. So if you're looking for a budget smartphone with insane battery and durability, this might be worth checking out. Let me know in the comments, would you actually buy this phone and which color would you choose? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again for another video.